Hey guys, this is Alex with Jammin Classics. Today I'm here to discuss one of the cars we have in and some of the work we've done to it. This is a 69 Torino GT that we got in a couple months ago. We did a couple of things to it since we've had it. We've installed a new muffler on it, a Dynamax muffler with a 2-inch exhaust on it. We've also installed a 351 Windsor motor with long tube headers on it. And we've installed a completely new wiring harness on the Classic, on the Torino. And it looks really nice, so that's what we're gonna go over this video, see some of the stuff that we've done to it. Alongside all that, we installed these new rims on it, these American racing rims. As you can see, it complements the car very well. And here, let me show you some of the muffler we installed on it, the exhaust. The exhaust tips right there. And like I was saying before, we installed a 351 Windsor motor on it with the long tube headers on it. So we have the car running. It's been running for a while with the new motor on it. It sounds great. We're gonna put some footage on here so you guys can see.
That we have built. We use them in a lot of these cars. They're very popular, right? The Mustangs and a lot of the cars with the small blocks. These are great little packages. Very economical compared to like going to a full racing, stroker motor or anything like that. These are much nicer. Do the more for electronic ignition, quick fuel carburetors on them. We do the Cobra style valve covers to give it that big block look under the hood of this Fairlane. Because these cars were available all the way up to like 428s, 390s. So those are kind of rare, hard to come by, and very expensive when you do find one. So the alternative is a great little built aluminum head, 351, like I said, 385 horse, right in that neighborhood. They dyno typically about 410, but that's about where they're classified, about the 385. So we've added AC, some AC components to it. Really good cooling system on it. It's gonna be really nice. We put all the billet Magnum 500 style wheels on the car. Just simply because the owner didn't want to put the steel wheels on it.
As you can see, the car is running really well. It sounds great. That being, we've only had it here a couple months, so we're definitely making waves with the progress of the car. And alongside all that, we did install a brand new wiring harness, an American auto wire wiring harness on it. So the interior of the car looks a lot better now, and we'll have footage of that right now. So as you can see, you know, we're making progress on this car. Stay tuned for more updates on the vehicle and what we have done to it. And once we get it delivered out to the customer, he's out of state, he's out in Florida. So it's going to be exciting having him see the car, having it shipped out to him. But other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, you'll be alerted every time we upload a new video, so you can see all the stuff we have going on here at the shop, all the projects we have and we're working on. Thank you very much for checking us out. Hope to see you again.